Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 40, Lesson 4, Exercises. Here we have practice with various forms of the genitive. One form of the genitive is taken by these three verbs, miserere, oblivisci, and meminisse. So to have pity on, so you have pity on a person in the genitive. Oblivisci, you forget, to forget someone in the genitive. And meminisse, you remember someone in the genitive. These two are deponent, miserere and oblivisci. And meminisse is just always in the perfect tense and has a regular present sense to it. Okay, so mei, tui, sui, nostri, vestri are the forms of the genitive that we're looking at. So you would have mercy, miserere, to have mercy on mei, me, have mercy on tui, you, have mercy on sui, him or her, have mercy on nostri, us, and mercy on vestri, you guys. So let's look at the examples here. Dido aeneam orat. So Dido begs Aeneas to have mercy on her. Okay, so you have sui, the genitive for her. And we have our the subjunctive of miserere, because it's in a new clause. And then she gives the command miserere me. Remember that the deponent verbs in the singular imperative look like infinitives. So have mercy on me, and notice mei in the genitive. Aeneas says, perfecto, of course I have mercy on you. I pity you, Dido. Again, pity plus the genitive tui. Aeneas was feeling pity for Dido, but nevertheless he left her. And so you have didonis in the genitive from Dido. The enemy said, we have been conquered. Have mercy on us, conqueror. And nostri being the genitive, and the conqueror says, I do not have mercy on you. And the victor does not have mercy on the conquered enemy. So again, genitives hostium victorum and genitive vestri. So let's try this first one. Dido says, don't forget me. And so we want the genitive for ego mei mihi me me, and that is mei. Don't forget me. And Dido fears that Aeneas might forget her, and we have the genitive here. So oblivisce, to forget, takes mei and the sui. Go ahead and try the rest of those. There is a little note here about amor, memoria, and imago taking the genitive too. So love of the thing, memory of the thing, or an image of the thing. Okay, let's try exercise 11. This is our vocab section. Dido cum aeneam abira videret. Dido, when she saw Aeneas going off, said the same word that means o is pro. Pro Jupiter, she said, will the newcomer, the stranger, advena, from advenira, is a masculine noun with the, so it's one of those, like pachypanes, one of those first declension masculines. Okay, try the rest of those. Let's go to exercise 12. Here we have practice with impersonal verbs. Impersonal verbs are verbs cui desunt personae praeter, the third person singular. So to which the persons are all lacking. So there's no other person. There's no first or second person. There's no I or you person, but there is only the third person singular, like licet, it is permitted, it is allowed, or oportet, it is right, or pudet, it is shameful. And those take an accusative plus infinitive genitive construction. So you have a choice. So here we have pudet eum ita fecisse, it shames him to have done this. You could also say that as it is shameful, it shames him of his deed, or he is ashamed of that, of his deed. Okay, and so here we have Dido says, it is tiring me to live. It is tiresome to me, vivere. The infinitive construction can be also given as it is tiring to me of life, or it tires me of life. Okay, try the rest of those impersonal verbs. And section 13 is our question and answer. Do your best on this section, and I will see you in the grammatica.